If you want to learn how business makes money, you think chai wala jo chai bech raha hai. It's very interesting. You have no idea what chai, how tea gets made into chai, you have no idea. Chai ka bagicha dekha hai aapne? You know, on green leaves there will be sunlight falling on green leaves, and those photons of light makes the leaves darker. And you see, when you get this, actually you are eating sunlight, and drinking sunlight comes out, chai ka patta, and then you mix it with a little bit of a green white liquid, you call it milk. How is milk produced? A black cow eating green grass is producing white milk. You have no idea, but milk has come. And then there's a pump that lifts the sap of the earth, juice of the earth, like a pump, into a sugary syrup which can be crystallized and formed into sugar crystals. So when you mix tea and sugar and milk, then you have chai. And this chai is nothing but a synthesis of the four elements of this universe: water, air, earth, and fire. Four things coming together to make your chai. So you're actually drinking a synthesis of four elements of the universe. Or chai, see, people say that when fire was discovered, human civilization went into another orbit. It was not the discovery of fire, it was the discovery of cooking. Cooking ke baad human beings started separate, because human being is a cooking animal. Whereas other species was busy finding food, digesting food, chewing food. Their digestive tracts are much bigger than their cognitive tract. Human beings expanded the cognitive tract because chai ke baad aur khana mil jata tha. Cooked food, you can store that food, okay, and you can think of higher things of life. Chai pe charcha wahi kar sakta hai, iske baad samay hai. So digestive tract got smaller and the cognitive tract, but that's why our brains are so much bigger. Why? Because we've been able to synthesize. This is what flexpertise is. The ability to synthesize knowledge. That's why case studies are used, because case studies take your knowledge in the practical mode, puts you in this mode of action. That's why case studies is the medium of. You must figure out why, what is what. Okay. The final thing that Arjuna had, that you may want to aspire for, is this thing called freedom. And this is a very important word. Without freedom, there is no learning. And what kind of freedom are you talking about? Freedom to do whatever I like to do? No. This is a freedom from what you call ego. Now, freedom from ego will not come until you know that you have an ego. I'm going to share with you a story from Arjun's life. The battle of Kurukshetra is over, and after the battle is over, Krishna asks Arjun to get down from the chariot. This is very unusual because your driver does not ask you to get down. Driver gets down first. Krishna is the driver, so he says, Arjun, you get down this time, you get down first. Then I will get down. So Arjuna gets down. Because he obeys Krishna, he doesn't ask questions. As he gets down, he sees Krishna stepping down after him. And after Krishna steps down, the entire chariot becomes a ball of fire and is turned into ashes. So Krishna says, look, I was sitting there. Because I was sitting there, the chariot was held in place because aapka jo dushman jitne hai, they were hitting this. They said that was, your chariot was a target, but as long as I was sitting there, I was holding it together. Now when I stepped down, your chariot became vulnerable to all targets. I was your immunity. Your immune system, when it broke down, your chariot was under attack and it collapsed. Have you ever wondered who gives you immunity? From bacteria, from microbes, from whatever is happening this season. Who gives you this immunity? Where have you got this immunity from? The moment you recognize that, your ego will go away. You know, when I reflect on who's standing here and speaking to you in the English language, then I say the person who's standing, his shoes were made somewhere in Lucknow, his jacket got stitched in United States of America, his shirt got made in Mumbai, his glasses got crafted in China. The software he calls his brain is an accumulated gift of his teachers, his parents, his students, with me. The fact that he can speak in the English language is because there's an English teacher who spent overtime beyond class hours to teach him.